So hey MilleyRocks, Camille coming to you back with another video. This is just a quick Trader Joe's haul. I wanted to show you guys what I got today. I'm making a salmon dinner, so I wanted to show y'all things that I got from Trader Joe's. So I'm making some salmon with some honey, balsamic honey glaze, Brussels sprouts, and some rice. So I got some what is this? Calrose rice. This is some regular rice, y'all. And there, I got the balsamic vinegar. It looks fancy, but this was only, I believe, $3. So I got that. I got some organic apple juice for Zay because he's gonna start drinking apple juice. So I got him some of that. I got some Dijon mustard. It's a recipe that is used for the Brussels sprouts, and it calls for Dijon mustard, so I got some of that. Got some onions because I love onions. I always keep onions on stock. And I've been seeing a lot of people with this. This is the onion salt. I picked this up. I got another bag. So here are my organic Brussels sprouts. Got some of those. Got 2 bags. I saw some good things about this on Dominique A's channel. And this is the tangerine juice. I heard this is really, really good. So I'm gonna try this out. I got some of the Alaskan sockeye salmon. And I got 2 fillets for $13. So I got some of these Bambino pepperoni pizzas. I'm kind of excited to try these. I like all type of pizza stuff. So, and it's supposed to be, what is this? Some type of pepperoni. It's like the old pepperoni, but let me actually open these and see how they look. So I was curious, like, how these things look. And I'm gonna let y'all know how these taste. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like these. Yeah, so you get 4 in a pack. And I got me some lactose-free milk. So I'm excited to try this brand, Trader Joe's brand, because I normally just get the Lactaid brand. So we're going to see if this one is better than the Lactaid. So those are things that I got. Like I said, I'm making a salmon dinner with Brussels sprouts, rice, and yeah, balsamic vinegar. So we're going to see how this turns out. And I might come through with a little clip of me making the food. We'll see. But if nothing else, I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Become part of the MilleyRocks family. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Alright, y'all. So I wanted to try this. Let y'all know how this tastes. And so many people say it's good. We gonna say. We gonna say. So I got me a cup with some ice. Really good. It's good, y'all.